Okay, folks, for those of you. Okay, so here we go. Pay attention. 7-5. Boom. Oh, did you see that? Let's see that again. Hold on. Hit pause. Here in just a second. Whoop. Now I just hit pause. See that? Look at the time. Okay, 7-5, 7-6, 9:54 a.m. I'm going to hit play again. Oh, look at that. It's actually pushing something off the sun. Look, it's still there. Now, remember I told you about Mercury in July, beginning of this month? Well, you just wait. Watch this. I'm going to flip over to LASCO 2, which is the bluer screen, and you'll see it. Oh, did you see that? That was nice. Just a minute here. Okay, here we go. LASCO C2. Remember, I was telling you about the date time? Look here already. You can see it. Boop. Right there. Now, let's back it up just a little bit. Boop. Now, you'll see it push off, and then you'll see, oh, looking like Mercury coming around over this way again. See? 7-5. Boom. You see that? Now, that was clear. Oh, wait, what is that? That looked very familiar, didn't it? Looks kind of like what we were seeing from before, huh? Interesting. And here we are once again. We are at theplanetstoday.com. Mercury is over here on the other side of the sun. Okay? So, now we saw on the third, whoop! This looked like it was coming from this direction to go around. And then we saw something get pushed off. So here it is. We can keep on going. Look at this. The only time we could have seen that doing that. Oh, look at. Oh, so maybe. I mean, this thing goes out. So yeah, there's no way that could have happened. Gotta love it. Believe it or not, I actually found a back way into this. I don't know how I did it, but this is one of my favorites. Angstroms 211, 193, and 171 overlapping. Now, we only get 14 seconds, but you'll see what I mean. Keep an eye right here. Bam! You see that? Isn't that gorgeous? See the times? You can see all the colors overlapping. See it pop off the back and then pop off the front? Man, this thing was really nice. Oh, let's back that up one more time, shall we? Beautiful exposure. Do you see that pop off the backside? Watch back here. Something pops off too. Boom. See that? The colors, the contrast of the colors is beautiful. It's magnificent. But man, oh man, that one there, that tells on you. Now, I will say this. I have been watching this for quite some time. And there have been times where I've actually, as it's coming around the corner, all of a sudden, you'll see a perfectly round planetary-like object, or like our second star, coming around the bend. It's amazing. It's like, what? That's why I like this one so much, and that's why they don't, because it tattletales. Anyways, stay vigilant, folks. SpaceWeatherLive.com and Space Weather Prediction Center. Great tools. Start using them. Learn for yourselves.